Hi and welcome to Cuttable. We're an AI advertising platform from Melbourne, Australia. We're really lucky to be built by a real combination of agency experts and also incredible tech entrepreneurs, developers, engineers who have come together to build an advertising platform for e-commerce brands and agencies that we think is really going to change the way they operate and run ads. We're really excited for what we've been building, and I'm going to take you through a bit of the platform. So I'm going to take you through a few different examples: Fancy Hanks, Mihan Aromatics, and also Cuttable's own account. There's three main components to how Cuttable works. There's strategy, creative, media. And strategy is really two-pronged. It's all about brand strategy and your brand kit. So really how we understand your brand and how you look and show up. So within your brand strategy, it's made up of your 4 C's: company, comms, category, consumer. Cuttable does a full brand analysis once you start your onboarding at Cuttable, and we go through all of these and take a really strong stab at everything from what you do to unique value claims, what makes you special. And we feel like this gets you about 98% of the way there. You might have to go in and have a bit of a look at things you want to change or some language, but we're really confident in the results that the Cuttable strategy is generating for brands. Everything from how you speak, we go through all of your social media, get an understanding of the language you use, and maybe how you respond to customers, or even how customers talk about you. A big part of what Cuttable understands is category needs. Like, why do people buy your brand? Why do they buy your category? And then also, who is your audience? We have a full segmentation breakdown of your audience. So that's a little bit about the brand strategy side. The brand kit, this is really around understanding how your brand looks, your logos, your colors, your color combinations, your fonts, and your font styles. What makes your brand uniquely you? If we have a really good understanding of this, and when Cuttable is making ads for your brand, it does a really strong job of that. Another big part of the foundation of Cuttable is within, if you go to albums, you can have a look at when you upload all of your imagery. This is like a really advanced digital asset management system. So our AI understands all of the components, from focal points of your images to what is in them. So let's go, for example, if I type in smile, you can see the ad will bring up, the AI will actually go and find any images that you have that have people smiling. Or maybe if I want to go red, it will find all of the shots of, red cans, red backgrounds, anything like that. The reason I'm kind of demonstrating that, it just shows that the more we have an understanding of what's in your ads, when Cuttable is coming up with ideas and ads, it can go and pull from that. You can get, you could search tattoos, you could search by emotions, and it will find images that has a good understanding of that. So that's a little bit of like the foundations of Cuttable. Really how it works from an ad creation point of view is there's 2 main types of ads we create. Get known for what makes you special, and makes ads to sell a product. We've got sales events coming, so you'll eventually be able to get into your account very soon, and all of your Black Friday, your Black Friday campaign will be there, ready to go. But at the moment, there's 2 types: build brand and product ads. So build brand, this is a really classic advertising brief process. Get who to buy. So you can go in and choose, I want to create ads for specific audiences. So maybe for Fancy Hanks, they're trying to chase foodie crews, and they want to be known for, I really want to be known for award-winning condiments. So you can go and create ads. Cuttable will basically go and think about creative tactics, insights, ideas, and it will come up with a whole set of ads that will talk to that audience about that specific proof point. And then the other side from a Cuttable point of view is product ads. So this is like your Shopify store, or it is your Shopify store bought into Cuttable. So all of your different products are in here. So let's just go with, I want to create ads to promote my original barbecue sauce. Cuttable, like from the albums before, Cuttable will go and find all of the images related to that specific product. So all of these images will be of the original barbecue sauce. It won't be of the creamy mayonnaise or of the buffalo sauce. It will be of the original barbecue sauce. And we'll pull in all of your features as well. So maybe I don't want to talk about those, or I do want to, I can take out, I don't want to talk about versatile usage. I just want to speak about original recipe and a few others. And you know what? I don't need 5 ads. I need 20 executions of that. You hit generate and it'll go and think about that as well. So as an example, here's, some ones we prepared earlier. ribs, wings, leftover toasties, 14 years of saucy secrets in every bottle. So this will take all of your image, your product images, your lifestyle images, your shoots, and it will animate them. Sometimes it's multi-image, sometimes it's single image, but that turns those images into 6-second meta ads. So then from like a publishing point of view, if I want to go, I want to ship those. A big part of Cuttable is about the new AI ad engine of Meta. So I'm going to actually show you within Cuttable's account. I can go, I love this ad. This one, and this one, and I want to publish them straight to Meta. So I get in there, I go, I want to add these to an existing campaign. I go select awareness, and I've got my awareness ad set. This is an example of ours. It's a $100 budget with an Advantage Plus campaign. I hit continue. Well, Cuttable will go and think about the original idea, how it came up with that. It will write all of the captions for that, the headlines, the descriptions, the CTA, and also whatever your URL that Cuttable understands about your brand. So then from an insights point of view, Cuttable will also pull back all of your insights. So, depending on what it is, we have an understanding of thumb stop engagement, CPM, CTR. Again, these are just some examples of Cuttable. Happy for you to see how ours look at the moment and this test account. So that is an overview of the Cuttable platform. As I said, we've got lots of amazing things coming. We're really excited to have a whole bunch of new brands on board and can't wait to get up and running with you. Thanks.